going.
What were you saying? Run! 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 Run!
Run! Run!
Run! Out of my fucking head, dude. I'm done with this. I'm fucking done with you, dude. Ooh. Owie. Liam, are you there?
Yep. Hang on. Just
Hang on, dude. I mean,
second.
we're on a fucking time crunch here. I mean,
Get paper.
what the fuck are you doing, dude? Jesus Christ!
No, don't worry
Oh,
about
for
me,
fuck's
don't worry
sake,
about
we had Frost Drive on last time. Now we've really going downhill, dude. Jesus Christ, I'm pissed off. For fuck's sake. Hello.
But you're gonna like this. You're gonna like this. Don't worry. Hello.
Whoa! Okay. 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 My bitrate has went to shit, but I can tell that I could tell that it would look cool. It would look cool. So this is the real Liam. I don't think people will believe it because it's hard to tell, but
How can I prove it to you? Perhaps with a little something that is mine.
Only Liam has the black ball from Veritigium.
That's true.
I think he's
That is very true.
trying to like outperform us. I think he's got like the 2 camera.
Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do.
Trying to make us look bad, I think.
Don't give him the password to the channel. Like, I don't know why you did that with Frost Drive. That was really stupid. If you give it to this guy, he's gonna take over and he's gonna just run the show.
Well, maybe he wants it. I don't know. I don't know how to say no.
Hey, Liam.
Hey.
Hey.
Liam.
How's it going?
Yeah, we're good, right, Ron?
Do you want the pass? No.
Ron, don't! Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, it's the real Liam.
It's the real.
It's the Veritasium ball. So for this episode, we are going to be drawing nature. We're going to be returning to our draw palettes. Liam, what is natural to you? We're gonna decide what we want to do ourselves this episode. What comes naturally to you? Hello?
What comes naturally? Which one? Is it nature or is it coming naturally? Which one is it?
Coming
I
natural.
guess.
Coming natural.
Celebrate, okay.
Second one. Second one.
Okay.
Second one. Second one. Second one.
Second one. What comes naturally to me? I don't know. I don't know what comes naturally to me. I'll figure it out. Okay? Maybe I'll figure it out.
Ron, that was fucking stupid. That was so
I think
stupid.
Oliver's lagging. Oh, am I lagging? Or is it?
For me, Liam
Maybe
is
it's
definitely the
just me.
worst in terms
really?
of personality. Yeah.
Fuck.
Was that like robot fart?
I mean, the topic is what comes naturally to me, but nothing's coming naturally to me right now.
Okay, let me influence you a little bit.
Okay, what was that? What was that?
Beach.
Sorry. Each?
Beach.
I'll draw a beach then.
Yeah. Sun.
Okay. Sun.
He's
Flower-
definitely lagging. There's no way.
He is a little robotic, I will admit.
Liam, can you draw?
Just start
that
going.
about?
Just start
Yeah, I can
going.
draw.
Just feel it out.
Wait, I have to
dude.
start drawing? Is that
Yeah,
how
just
this
feel
works?
it out.
I have to
Just
start drawing right
just
now?
Go. Just go.
Okay.
Just go. Just feel it out, dude. Just go.
You know, we
feel
got
it
20
out.
minutes. Jesus Christ.
I don't have
Jesus
long.
Christ.
I've got other obligations. I can't see that. I'm not picking.
It's okay. We'll get a picture at the end or something.
Yeah, I can see that you're drawing near the bottom of the paper. Okay, I'm imagining that you're drawing lines. To be honest, you could just not be drawing anything. I think your pen doesn't work.
It's okay.
I don't really
I
like
can
the
imagine
singing.
it being good. Yeah, the singing, we can cut that out probably, right? We
Yeah.
can replace it with something like more royalty free or something. That's probably
Yeah.
copyrighted.
I mean, I don't really care about that. I was just getting kind of creeped out a little bit.
It's okay,
It
Oliver.
reminds me of this one time I was having a nightmare. And I woke up and I thought I woke up. I'd try going to my dad's room and he was going, ooh, but it was still part of the nightmare. And then when I
Are
actually
you
woke
commenting
up,
on my singing, guys? What the fuck?
I can't remember.
I thought I muted him.
Yeah. It'd be good if you didn't talk while you drew.
Estudiantes.
Wait. How are you holding so still? Whoa! Hold up. There's two of you? What the
Hold
fuck?
on, jeez.
Yeah, I know. What is it with this guy? Hey, let's see that picture so far. How are you doing?
Oh,
Yeah, it
it's,
looks good.
doing.
From what I
It's
can,
doing.
from what I can tell, it.
Let me see what you're actually seeing. Oh my god! You actually cannot see it. Okay, perhaps I should have.
But take
No,
a picture
you can
after.
just- as long as you can take
Yeah.
a picture.
Yeah, we really don't give a shit on this channel. This one
Oliver,
time.
you got black hair.
You think?
No.
No. That was really strange, dude.
Why? I just it's a nat. You know what? You know what?
Yeah, I said be natural, but not
You know what?
like. Can you tone it down a bit? Jesus Christ. I mean, you know, I can feel myself getting a little bit upset.
You know what? I'm including that in my image because it came naturally to me.
Oh! Ah!
We're doing art shit, bitch.
Yeah. Yeah. But you can be a judge if
What
you
if
want,
this
Sam.
is-
I have expressed interest in being on it for a while now.
How
But
do I make this-
right
well,
now,
Oliver-
you're the judge, but next time we'll do it for real.
I'm gonna rip solid farts though.
Yeah,
wow.
Is that
No.
on lined paper?
not seeing it.
Yeah,
We're not.
it is.
Oh, it's water. Oh my
We
god.
can see water, yeah, and a person. What's the
There's a
person
guy
saying?
there. Is that having sex? Is it
Okay,
two
wait.
people?
Has anyone
Is
drawn
there
anything
people?
else yet, or is it just this?
No, this is the first one. So
You guys have some pretty steep competition. It's just the bit rate is so low.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I need to snatch the bird. No,
Alright, I'll send a photo. I'll send.
I'm leaving.
Oh my god.
oh, there goes our judge.
So he liked it. Oh, did you like it?
I want in the video. Can I say something for the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've
Edit that out because that's really not appropriate.
Oh, he did the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna go next. Can I nominate myself? To
Wait,
go
but can
next?
we see Liam's first if he sends an image?
Yeah, I'll send a screenshot.
Okay, nice. What's the guy saying?
He's saying what I said that one time. That I said, okay, I'm putting that in the drawing because it came to me naturally.
Oh, okay.
I said, something like that.
Oh, okay. I mean,
Yeah.
I would rate yours like a solid, like 2 to 2.5 out of
Okay.
2.5.
Same prompt. Same prompt.
What comes out of a penis? Is your prompt?
I'm gonna try to avoid putting the paper on the holes so I don't stab right through.
Is there trash in your holes there?
Yeah, dude, I like to shove it in there with my finger. Look at this one.
Can you take some out?
It's pretty good in there. Here, I'll try.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, here's a
Homework?
just garbage, dude. I don't know. Just shove it in there.
You changed the hole. Are the holes connected?
Yeah, dude, it's hollow. Look, there's a fingernail in there.
Oh.
Liam, you've experienced cum, shit, and fingernails.
The fingernails aren't that bad.
Yeah.
Though. They don't like get brown and smell.
I could really
Okay.
fuck up my desk because it's not a real desk. It's just a part of a bed frame that I stole.
I got this from IKEA.
But like,
Alright.
it's not hollow like yours.
I'm starting to draw just a little Frankfurter. That's pretty good, right? And then add like the weird middle part,
Yeah, that's the tube. That's the baby tube.
and then couple veins going out and stuff. You can't really see it. I'll take a nice high quality picture, and then here's the splurg.
What is that? Wait, what is this supposed to be? What is this?
You said what comes out of a penis, and usually it's some sort of liquid.
It is?
Well, like the red stuff, usually.
Yeah.
That's what I
Oh, okay.
get.
Yeah. I thought you were talking about the other thing.
And then
Yeah.
I'll put a little, like, droplets, like, flying in the air, and it's going off. You know what I mean, Oliver? Are you seeing how crazy this thing is? And then I'm gonna give it little eyes, like, right under here. Because he's a fella.
What if a hand was holding?
What is happening?
Or just
What is
pay
happening right now?
You haven't been paying attention.
Sorry. You haven't been...
Just try and keep up, dude. Like, just.
Maybe you lagged out or something, but...
Yeah, I think you probably lagged out, Liam, because it's very obvious what's going on. There's nothing weird going on.
Is this supposed to be drawing or something?
Well.
Oliver, it's your turn. I'm done.
I'm on my phone.
Dude, that's why I buy pencils nowadays, is just to shove it in my hole and stuff. And sometimes I'll get a little light and look in there.
I'm gonna draw hole. You know, you gotta do what comes naturally to you. Shit, where was this? Where are you right now, Ron?
I'm in the US of A.
Yeah, okay. What's that look like? Kind of like this?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you could have probably just memorized what probably could have just memorized what the continent looks like.
Look at Liam.
What? Is
Wait,
going
he's
on?
got that. I saw that one on the right is from The Amazing Bulk.
What, really?
I think so, or like that similar style.
Okay. 'Cause I remember 2 years ago, I just looked up a bunch of GIFs of people like dancing and people with a fire extinguisher and stuff.
Like a Middle Western.
Is that like down here?
I guess.
So then I guess we zoom in on. I guess it's like that shape. And where are you here?
The city northern, most northern part.
This
state.
way. This way.
I
That
guess
one,
if that's north, if you're making that north, you know, like Santa.
Yeah.
Do you know who's Oliver?
I know him, dude. I know Santa, dude. The hole in the desk is what I was going to draw. Desk and then I thought of it myself.
Does he know Santa? Does he?
I don't know. He like that.
What's going on, Oliver? Huh?
I think Liam's really starting to scare me. I think we should end it.